Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to access PowerPoint. So let's have a look now. If you have Microsoft Office installed on your computer, accessing PowerPoint is straightforward. Simply click on the Start menu or search bar and type PowerPoint. Click on the PowerPoint application to open it. You can also find it in the Microsoft Office folder in your Applications menu. If you prepare an online approach or don't have Microsoft Office installed, you can use the Microsoft 365 online platform. Open your web browser and visit office.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't have it. Once signed in, click on PowerPoint to open the online version directly in your browser. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.